Aye. Hello and welcome to this coverage of the Cannes Film Festival on Prudent Media. Well, it's been 10 days, in fact 11 days of movies and more movies. The festival started on 14th of May and here we are on the last day of the screenings, and this is the day when the awards will be declared. There's already some good news which has come for India, because there are two Indians who have won in the La Cinef category, which is the short film award category. Chidananda Naik has won the first prize for his film Sunflowers Were the First to Know. Now it is a Kannada film and Chidananda Naik is an MBBS doctor who took up to filmmaking. His parents were not too pleased about it, but I am sure they'll be pleased with the result when he's won the first prize in the La Cinef category. The other winner is Manasi and she hails from Meerut. She studies in London and her film won the third prize in the La Cinef category as well. So Chidananda's film Sunflowers Were the First to Know is the first Kannada film ever at the Cannes Film Festival and it has won the top prize. There are some big names competing for the Palme d'Or. Payal Kapadia is going to have tough competition from the likes of Francis Ford Coppola, whose Megalopolis is in the competition. Sean Baker's Anora is also in the competition, along with Limino by the Russian director Kirill Serebrennikov, if I got that surname correct. There's also O Canada by Paul Schrader, a veteran when it comes to cinema. There is also an interesting film called Girl with the Needle, which I quite liked, and I think the actress must be in contention for the top prize. There's also Apprentice by Ali Abbasi, a film on Donald Trump and the rise of Donald Trump. There's also The Shrouds by the veteran David Cronenberg. There is The Substance, which has a good shot, I'm not sure which category, maybe director, maybe Palme d'Or, by Coralie Fargit, which has Demi Moore in the lead role. There is also Parthenope, directed by the well-known Italian director Paolo Sorrentino, and of course there is Payal Kapadia's All We Imagine as Light. Who is going to win the Palme d'Or? We are going to keep our fingers crossed on that. Now, Palme d'Or is not the only category. There are a couple of other categories as well where Indian films are participating. There is Santosh, there is Shameless, that is being screened in the Uncertain Regard category, or rather was screened in the Uncertain Regard category. And for the first time, they also have a category in Director's Fortnight, an award in Director's Fortnight. And one of my favorite films of the festival, starring Radhika Apte, was in Director's Fortnight. It's a film directed by Karan Kandhari and it's called Sister Midnight, which I must say has a good chance, it has a good shot at the award in Director's Fortnight. So after 11 days of excitement and adventure at the cinemas here at the Cannes Film Festival, well, it's time to wrap it up from here, and until we meet again, it's goodbye from me, and till then, keep enjoying yourself at the movies.